How to turn off contacts on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can turn off contacts on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on your Snapchat application. And when you're inside the Snapchat application, from the appear screen, what you're gonna do is go over to your profile section and tap on that gear icon. Now scroll all the way down and tap on manage contacts. Now you'll be appear with contact settings. So simply you have two options there. What you're gonna do is disable that share contacts with Snapchat. Once you do that, your Snapchat contacts will be turned off and people from your contacts won't be able to see you on Snapchat in quick add. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.